Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9. Get ready to explore its cutting-edge features, powerful specifications, and that incredible camera system. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk design. The Pixel 9 boasts a sleek and modern look, with a refined matte finish that feels both premium and comfortable in your hand. It's available in a range of stunning colors, including charcoal, snow, and sage. Phone's display, the Pixel 9 features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means you get vibrant colors, deep blacks, and buttery smooth scrolling. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming, the Pixel 9 delivers an immersive visual experience. Camera. Now let's talk about what really sets the Pixel 9 apart: its camera system. It comes equipped with a revolutionary 50-megapixel main sensor, which captures stunningly detailed photos even in low light. The new ultra-wide lens offers a 125-degree field of view, perfect for those group shots and sweeping landscapes. Google's advanced computational photography enhances every shot with features like Night Sight for clearer nighttime images, and the improved Magic Eraser that lets you remove unwanted objects effortlessly. Plus, the new video stabilization tech ensures your footage is smooth and professional-looking. Processor and specs. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 is powered by Google's latest Tensor G4 chip. This processor brings even faster performance and better AI capabilities, making everything from multitasking to gaming a breeze. With 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, you'll have all the power and space you need. The Pixel 9 also features a 5,000 mAh battery that ensures all-day use, and with Google's fast-charging tech, you'll get back to full power in no time. So there you have it, the Google Pixel 9, a device that combines top-notch performance with an exceptional camera and a stunning display. If you're excited about this new release, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.